Hi students, in this video I am going to discuss hydroboration followed by oxidation that we are calling HBO reaction generally. And next one, oxymercuration and demercuration that we are calling OMDM. Previous video I have uploaded H plus in presence of water, that one, and these two reactions also indirect addition of water. Indirect addition of water. Within 1 minute, how we can give answer towards NEET exam and mains exam? See. Hydroboration followed by oxidation. HBO. Else, if you will see reagent like this, B2H6THF. Diborane in presence of tetrahydrofuran. Tetrahydrofuran. Okay, and hydroboration followed by oxidation. Oxidation is nothing but H2O in presence of oxidizing agent and strong acidic medium, basic medium. We are maintaining H2O to act as good oxidizing agent and reducing agent. Here oxidizing agent. Diborane. About this reagent also, I'll give you some points. See, boranes and diboranes both are electron deficient, right? Both are electron deficient. It has vacant orbital ready to gain electrons, that's why less than octet. According to Lewis, we call it as acid. These are all important questions. Even diborane also, there is no direct bond between boron and boron. It has bridged hydrogen. We have learnt in when we are in first year, right? So here both are electron deficient, but how it is existing? It is solvent. If you will take tetrahydrofuran, see this tetrahydrofuran, oxygen is giving electrons to this one, such a way it can exist, it can act here. So here diborane, TH of H2O2 in presence of OH minus, the whole thing, both are same. This reaction, another name they call it as HBO, hydroboration followed by oxidation. The whole reaction. Finally, what is the shortcuts I am writing? Definitely you will enjoy with the shortcut, students. Shortcut 1. What is this? Indirect addition of water. Indirect addition of water. Okay. If you will look into end product, finally we are adding water only. Mechanism is there. So mechanism is there. Mechanism, it is important for board level. Okay. So that those videos also coming days I am going to upload. But within 1 minute how to give answer shortcuts I am giving to you. Indirect addition of water H plus OH minus. It follows Ames rule. Ames rule is nothing but what? Anti-Markovnikov rule. It is exactly opposite of Markovnikov rule. Markovnikov rule is rich become richest. That means more hydrogens where it is in active site, there only hydrogens adding. But here it is not following Markovnikov rule. Ulta, anti-Markovnikov rule. Third one, very important one is no rearrangements. Okay, no rearrangements. Your free radicals generate. Free radical further it will not undergo rearrangement, highly reactive, that's why no rearrangement. Whereas in first step, rearrangements is there. Here it is very easy, that's why this question C. How easily we can write the product. I am taking once again that above reactant substrate, what is that guy name? Propane, right? CH3, CH double bond, CH2. Yes, it is reacting with HBO. Okay, I am not writing entire thing here, so both are same my side, no. So that's all. It follows anti-Markovnikov rule, indirect addition of water, right, students? So OH will go and attack here, H will go and attack here. This is anti-Markovnikov rule, ulta of the Markovnikov. CH3, CH2, CH2OH. That's all, students. This is major one. Major one. Minor. Above case major one is here minor. So again same thing, depends on our question. Mixture means both you have to write. Major means only one. Just a question mark means that is also one. So you already have discussed what are the names. 2-propanol, 1-propanol, 2-propanol. These two are positional isomers in previous video. Check it. Now next one. OMDM. Oxymercuration and demercuration. And shortcut, some important points I have collected and giving in description box. And next in video also I will add that one, the table. The table gives good knowledge. OM, DM. That is oxymercuration and demercuration. Again, I am going to take the same substrate, students. What is that? Propane, right? So propane, now what we are doing here, OM, DM. OM, DM. Oxymercuration, demercuration. Or else to confuse the student, they will give HgOAc twice. HgOAc twice. HgOAc twice and H2O in presence of water. Next one, this is first step, OM. DM is nothing but using reducing agent, that is sodium borohydrate. In starting video, first video, second video, I have done reducing agent of sodium borohydrate, right? So this whole mixture here also finally gives indirect addition of water. Indirect addition of water. Shortcuts. These shortcuts only helpful for us. Addition of water. Okay. Next, students. See here. It follows Markovnikov rule. Follows Markovnikov rule. Follows Markovnikov rule. Many examples. Many reactions are there. Even alkynes chapter also. Addition of HgSO4, H2SO4, these are all follows Markovnikov rule only. Okay, now see, third one, carbocation is intermediate. Carbocation is intermediate. Okay, intermediate, but most important one is no rearrangement. So whenever carbocation is generated, definitely rearrangement occurs, right? But in this particular reaction, rearrangement will not occur. So little difficult, little tricky, exceptional. Those cases we have to focus more. But when generally we are observing NEET level, they are not asking this one. Only first one, H plus in presence of water and the diborane, HBO, they are asking. When advanced level, you'll get cyclic transition state. Its mechanism also different, students. It's good cyclic transition state followed by carbocation intermediate. Carbocation intermediate will generate, but that carbocation, important note point I am writing here. See, carbocation generated in mechanism. Carbocation intermediate occurs or else obtained. Carbocation intermediate obtained, which is unstable. For attacking nucleophile only it can stay. Nucleophile, it can stay in the vessel. It can stay. That's it. Simple point. Further rearrangement occurs means definitely it will be stable. Then further rearrangement will occur. But here what happened? No, carbocation will generate, but that carbocation is highly unstable. For attacking nucleophile only it can generate. After that it can destroy. That's the reason further rearrangement will not occur. Okay, students, now easily you can write the product CH3, CH double bond, CH2. What is this? What I said to you? OMDM. Okay, that one I am not writing again. So try to write this one. It follows. What is this? Yes, Markovnikov rule, indirect addition of water, right? So that's all. Rich become richest. Markovnikov rule means. Now see, CH3. If you will see first video, this one, students, you don't understand anything. Previous videos, what I am explaining, amazing tricks, shortcuts, those are all points one by one, part 1, part 2, part 3 uploaded. All parts one by one you can see, then you can understand, you'll enjoy the organic. Okay. So that's all. This is what? 2-propanol, right? 2-propanol. And minor also we have, that is 1-propanol. Okay, your major one only they were asking. This is major. Minor, students. Clear? Now, okay, madam, first H plus water also Markovnikov rule. This is also Markovnikov rule. How can you differentiate the product in some substrates? Yes, for that reason, I am giving one question here, students. Listen. It is frequently asking question in NEET and the mains level. CH3, H, CH double bond, CH2. Okay. The same substrate I am using 3 different reagents. So first one is H plus in presence of water. Second one is HBO. Third one is OMDM. That's all. Try to write the products. Major ones. Major ones. See, what is this? What is this one? What we have to remember? It follows. Tell me fast. It follows Markovnikov rule and carbocation intermediate. Finally, all are indirect addition of water. All give indirect addition of water. Right? Indirect addition of water. You'll enjoy this topic. See, Markovnikov rule, carbocation intermediate, but rearrangement occurs. Rearrangement occurs. First step. Here, it is indirect addition of water, Ames rule, anti-Markovnikov rule, no rearrangement. These are all important points I have written. So, I am uploading in video and description box also I will give, go through it. OMDM. It follows Markovnikov rule, right? No rearrangement. No rearrangement. That's it, students. Now try to write answer. What is the first one? I am taking here. This is A. This is B. This is C. So tell me what are A, B, C? What are A, B, C? A. First, I am explaining A. CH3, CH3, H. CH double bond CH2. What happens, students? Your first step, electrophile adding. So then what happened? Bond breaking. You will get secondary carbocation. Detailed explanation in the previous video I have uploaded. So watch it. CH3, right? This is secondary carbocation. But secondary carbocation generated, no, after that it definitely rearrange. How it can rearrange? If chances are there, it will go to the tertiary. Right? So 1,2 shift, the 2 hydride shift, right? Now you will get tertiary carbocation. That's all. CH3, what is the, students? CH2, CH3. Now attacking nucleophile. What is the nucleophile? I am taking directly OH minus. First it will attack H2O and afterwards losing H plus. How it is the starting mechanism I had explained. Just go through it. Now, next one. What is this? Just wherever carbocation generated, here carbocation generated, no, their nucleophile will come and attack. That is your A. That is your answer. That's it, students. See, within seconds we can do this one if you have command in the shortcut. Next, the same one, what I am adding here directly, I am explaining here. What is this? HBO. HBO is nothing but, so breaking here, right? Breaking here. So after that, it follows anti-Markovnikov rule. Means this is indirect addition of water, no? H plus OH minus, no, students? H plus OH minus, where OH will go? Here H. That's all. That is our product. No confusion. H directly I am writing here. What is the, students? What I said here? Yes, CH2, CH2OH. This is major here. Okay. So write the IUPAC names also. So taking numbering 1, 2, 3, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 3 methyl. What is the, students? 3 methyl butanol. This is 2-methyl 2-butanol. You have to write. They will give names also. What is this name? 1, 2, 3, 4, 2-methyl 2-butanol. You have to mention the alcohol group also. Here 3-methyl 1-butanol. This is major. And the last step, what is the last step, students? OMDM. OMDM means what I said, Markovnikov rule, but no rearrangement. That's it. Breaking here, stable one you can take it. Rich become richest. Rich become richest. Try it and see the solution. That's all. This is your answer. See, very easy, within 1 minute. By explanation time it will take, once you get command here, within seconds you can write. 1, 2, 3, 4, right? 3-methyl, students, 3-methyl 2-butanol. See, product changes are there, no? That is, this is major here. No rearrangement. Here, rearrangement product. Here, no rearrangement. Here it follows anti-Markovnikov rule. See, very easy. Now I am going to give one more question. So for this question, how to solve, I am going to upload that important points in the description box and the video also. Video also last I will give information. Based on that you can try this one. Everyone try it. Sometimes no, they will change the solvent. That is why I am giving this question to you. CH double bond CH2. So here students, I am using H plus water. This everybody know, right? So now next one, to confuse the student, they will change the solvents and acids. This is first step. This is D2O. Okay, and the second one, better you can take it water. At a time you are taking both, no, little confusion will be there. So you will take water. Okay, now next one, last one, D plus D2O. That's it. Okay, try this one, and afterwards HBO also I'll give the question. Next video I'll give the solution here. Students, thanks for watching all the videos, and informative for friends also. It is useful for the final NEET exam and main students. Utilize all the students and try to improve your marks in organic chemistry. One student send message, what is that, in this comments also, sequence questions. Yes, ma. Soon I am going to upload sequence questions and OP directives. Okay students, thank you. Thanks for watching.